Hey, this video has the potential to change your life, so make sure to watch it till the end to know everything about the airdrop. My name is Adam, and I'm a seasoned professional in the crypto world. Welcome to my new channel, Airdrop Insider. Today I will talk about the Sonic token. Sonic is introducing its native token, Sonic, through an upcoming airdrop. This video will provide you with the essential details to participate responsibly and stay informed. Sonic is a blockchain platform compatible with the Ethereum virtual machine. It supports developers with a secure and innovative gateway to Ethereum. Its design is focused on providing efficient blockchain solutions. The Sonic airdrop is scheduled for January 7, 2025. Total supply, 2.4 billion Sonic tokens. Initial circulation, 15% of the supply will be available for trading at launch airdrop allocation. 7% is reserved for early participants. To qualify for the airdrop, users needed to interact with SonicX on TikTok by January 6, 2025. Check your eligibility using the eligibility checker tool available at video description. Please subscribe to my channel to stay updated. Airdrop tokens will be distributed as follows: 25% available immediately, 75% will vest over 270 days. Participants may opt for early access to tokens with specific conditions. For more details and updates, visit our VIP Telegram channel to stay updated and learn about future opportunities. Sonic's airdrop is an opportunity to engage with a new blockchain ecosystem. Please ensure you verify all information and participate responsibly. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching.